Ken, what you got?
A snowball. I want to make a snowman, guys. Okay, come on, let's make a snowman. Well, let's have a snow fight. Look, KJ, got footprint. I know.
Yeah, watch out, some of it is water. It's melting down, some of it is water. What we got, Case?
What's up, guys? Case, come here, look. Look at the front. Let's go in the car, Case. Now we don't got no snow car no more. So that's starting to look hard.
Let me see that snowball, Case. Show me. Hold it up. Look. All right, y'all come here. Both of y'all get a big one. Get a big one. Get a big snowball. Keon, make a big one. Sit it up there. Sit it up there. Make a big one. So make the biggest one you can make. Biggest one you can make.
Snowman, that. I got a big one.
What?
Look, this is my snowball.
Huh?
I got a big one. I didn't even flatten it out. I got a big one. It's just like an ice block. Look, now I'm gonna make a snowman. Kidra, you wanna hold mine? Be careful. Bruh, why did you do that to my ice block? Go!
Let him get you. Throw it.
Ah, felt that.
Turn around, do it again.
Ah, hey, I felt that. Ooh. Look at the car. Guys, I'm trying to make a snowman.
Do it.
Look at the car. Look, watch this. This isn't going.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I'm gonna make a Fortnite ball where you gotta dance. I'm making a snowball, and when I hit it at you, you gotta do the Fortnite dance. Yeah, I'm gonna throw you, so you gotta do the Fortnite dance.
All right, get out the street. Come this way.
Where are you?
Let me see. Oh. Turn around. Turn around.
Stop, turn around.
Yeah. You gonna get him. Go.
You got me in the face again. You got my face. Look at my snow is now. I already know. Go on ahead. Okay. Go on ahead. Look, watch this. Look, okay. Look. Oh yeah! I know what you're trying to do. Alright.
Awesome!
Come on! Go! Hey, this is ice right here.
Get him, Case. Get him, Case.
Guys, I'm gonna make hay. Where is Mimi Snowman or Snow Girl? Come on, come. I made ice cream. Thank you.
What you doing, Case? What you doing, Case?
Making a big snowball. But to get it real good. Get you. I'm gonna get you to get it real good. Will you didn't that time? Now cold. Now I'm gonna clean the windows and stuff. Yeah, boy. Sorry, boy. I'm cleaning. We tried to wash, messing them up. We tried to wash the car. We tried to get the car wash. It's a lot of car wash. This is so fun. Why I'm out here. Guys, come look. So you can see a little bit of the window, but not fully. Guys, come back. I found the snowman. Where? Right here. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Oh, maybe over there. Hey, cat! Hey, Jeremiah! Come on, Jeremiah! Tell me what you got. Come on, sir! Bye-bye! Y'all. Hey, come on, gotta get a snowball. Gotcha. Gotcha. We gotta be almost done. Or we're not done yet. No. I'm gonna go check our mailbox.
Can you throw a snowball at me?
You don't want to get hit? Watch this. Can I do it?
Throw it.
Do you guys want to get hit? Got you.
Candy, come here. Throw one at the camera. Throw one.
Let's follow you.
Bruh.
Oh, kuli. Come. Okay, bro. You just like. Guys, follow me. There's a trampoline over there. There's a trampoline over there. It is actually snowing.
Let me see, Candy.
I'm so happy today. So, there's snow around. I need to see. I'm going to. Girl, my feet is melting. Cause my feet is melting. It's melting on my feet. It's covering my feet. Guys, look, leaves. I'm covering my feet. How am I going to see the leaves? How am I going to? Guys, look. How am I going to get out of this spot? Guys, look.
What happened, Case?
My feet is covered in the ice. Did I do this for no reason?
Y'all throw snowballs at Case because he's stuck.
Bye. Bro, why did you do this? Oh, I got one foot out. Got the ball. No! No, I'm gonna do it again.
Get him, Case. Get him, Case.
Okay.
Get him, Case.
Again.
Huh?
I'm stuck again. Come on, y'all. Oh. Bro, why is it I can go. Ain't this fun in the snow?
Come on, y'all. All right, y'all build the biggest snowman y'all can.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Guys, come on. The other view. Now we're starting with the bottom right now. I'm making a medium one. Look. I don't really like one. Oh, okay, this could be his head. But not right now. What? What?
Come on, everybody add on to the snowman. Add on to the snowman.
I don't. Making a snowman as big as we could make. But party not done. We're eating a snowman. I'm gonna eat a snowman. Bro, make a ball in it.
Guys, look.
I'm in the bottom right now. Ooh. What? This could be our boat or something. Big stick. Wait, look, I'm gonna write something. Watch this. I'm gonna write something. Yeah. Now look, I'm gonna write something. Show the camera. I need a stick to write something. Subscribe. Well. All right, all. I'm at it. I'm making this. Look, I'm gonna get
Hey, Case, we went.
Now it's time for the head. Head. We need some more for the head. So cold. Done.
Huh?
That is so cold. God, it's so cold. My hands stay freezing. Now for the head. Now it's time to poke the eyes in.
What are you gonna use for eyes?
Oh, hands. What should we use for the eyes? I think hands. No, I think this. Maybe poke some holes with this.
No, you need like something like black rocks or something. You need like some kind of black rocks and use it like a stick.
I'm not sure. Guys, follow me. These are his hands. Yeah, I found his hands. Yeah.
Okay. Case. Okay, Case.
I can use this for that looks great. A snowman. Yeah. Maybe these can be the eyes. It's not going on. Maybe this is no. Stop. Maybe it's right there. Baby. Camera. I need to break this down a little bit. He keep on slipping, so I'm just gonna touch his feet. Yes.
Oh.
That's what I did. Come back, boy. Come back, boy. Big two. What's tall? That was double two. Hey, then, watch out. Hey there. Boom.
Look, you can use that for the snowman head. You can put that on top for his head.
I found the head.
Rub it in, you gotta make it bigger.
Yeah, I'll make it bigger.
Oh, yeah.
Hold up. Yeah.
Yeah, now he's starting to look more. He's starting to look more like a snowman. Good job, Case.
My hands stay free. So why are you throwing snowballs?
Oh,
You guys, look, we can make a snowman over here too. Look. What are you doing, KJ? Oh, now somewhere else to make a snowman. Here comes Case. Yeah. Can it come out? Guys, we have a big snowball. My yard is over there. Yes, right over there. Look. Look. Yeah. Where? Who's over there? Here.
snow angels.
Where's the snow angel? Cameraman, follow me. Do y'all think it's gonna be snow tomorrow? Because I think so. We was out of school, and tomorrow we still out of school. So I don't know if it's still gonna be snow.
Yeah, what you think? You think we're gonna have to go to school tomorrow?
No, because I think it's gonna be ice tomorrow. I'm seeing some ice like that. How far can you throw snow? How far can you throw snow? watching KEONnKASetv.